guys, so I came to this park and wow, it's I actually forgot to snap the entrance, but yeah, it looks so good guys. In this park ahead there are bears and other animals. I'm hoping to meet them guys. Ooh, but yeah, I love it. It really looks so good. I think yeah we have types of animals that are here. Like we have these.
This is live.
We have those.
Live. Yeah.
And yeah.
Wait, here.
No, a peacock is bigger. Oh, wow.
Then this side.
Hello guys. So I'm in this forest and I heard that in this forest there are different animals that I haven't seen before in my country. Animals like bears, fox, just name them. So I decided to take a day today since I'm off and come and see for myself if it's true. So come with you guys. There's a fox. That one is a tree. The other one there's a bear. Yeah. There's a fox, but right now it's sleeping. Maybe because it's a nocturnal. Fox are nocturnal, so they won't really. During the day they would be sleeping. And I'm seeing something here. What about? It's actually a cat. Yeah. So during the day they are sleeping. And they will only wake up at night. I think you have to come at night to be able to see it. But yeah. These are goats. The other side is pigs again. Wow.
Then we have pony.
I just hope I can get even small fox. Okay. They are squirrels. Oh, these are squirrels.
donkey. It's a donkey.
Then we have how do we call this? Onza. In Shiwambo it's onza. Yeah.
Maybe.
So you didn't